I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go check out Kicking It with Cheryl and Joe.
Before he never met a girl like you with a face like yours before. Now he in love with a fat girl.
What up, gang, gang, gang? It's your boy Rayshaun, and I got my boy Joe here from South Carolina, and they're coming to do a video with me today. He wanted to do a challenge with me. I'm gonna let him tell you guys about his channel. But before we get in this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, give this video a thumbs up. Go check out the Epic Empire, links in the description below, and that page will be in the description below as well. So go ahead and tell me.
Alright, so my channel is Kicking It with Cheryl and Joe. My wife and I, we do a mukbang channel, and my wife cooks and gives out recipes.
So today, you see me and Lee do this challenge. So today, I wanted to do it with Joe. We're going to do the no burping challenge. So the object of this challenge is you got to take 5 goats and try not to burp.
Just 5.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we're going to go ahead and open this, and this is round 1.
Alright.
You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Alright. I can't hold it. I can't hold it. Yeah, round 2.
Alright.
I want that one.
Alright.
What? No.
It got really heavy on that one.
Yeah.
Because I held the first one, so.
Hold on, why is this a lot harder than the first time?
Why?
Alright, round 3. And we tied up right there.
We're tied up?
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Round number 4.
It's tied up.
Damn, bro. That was a big one.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I won by letting mine go right after you went. Right after he went.
So
I let mine go.
this is the last round.
Sorry. Last round. Are you ready? Well, it's like coming a bunch of them. Little baby burps.
Alright, so last round, let's get into it. Damn, I drunk a half a soda.
Yeah, you drank a little more than me.
Yeah, I already know it. I
I got it. I don't have to burp.
Neither.
Put it away.
Neither
I
one
did
of
too.
them.
So, I don't know who won this. I think I lost. I don't know. But, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go check out Kicking It with Cheryl and Joe.
Same time, bro.
Same time, right now. Make sure you go check out that channel. Their link will be in the description below. Go check out the Epic Empire. Go check out our merch. Until next time, gang, gang, gang.